Hey, it's KT. Just wanted to give you a brief update on my legal battles. First, I have appealed the $37 million fine that Judge Gettleman has imposed on me because I wrote the weight loss cure book and effectively quoted it on television. That's right, I know it's crazy, but I was fined $37 million for doing what I believe to be my First Amendment constitutional right. Expressing my opinions. I was fined $37 million. And in addition to that, effectively banned from television, radio, and the internet for life from even talking about my books truthfully. That is in the appeals court right now. They heard the oral arguments back in September, and we are still waiting for their decision. Of course, once we get it, and it should be coming very soon, you'll be the first to know. Secondly, the government is trying to put me in jail. Judge Gettleman turned the case over for criminal prosecution. And currently, right now, I have 2 criminal cases pending. One case, because I went on my radio show and asked people to write the judge, which I thought was everyone's First Amendment constitutional right. Petition a member of government for grievances. The judge thinks it's a crime and believes I should be in jail. That is still pending. And secondly, because I wrote the weight loss cure book and quoted it on television, the judge thinks that I willfully violated his order. That's called criminal contempt of court. And that is still in the process right now. We're in the process of filing our briefs, and very soon we will have a trial date. And we will see whether or not I'm given the right to have a jury trial, or if that right will be taken away from me and there'll only be a judge making the decision. There's a lot that could happen here. And I believe the government wants to put me in jail for 2 years or more. The bottom line is real simple. This is not about me writing a book and quoting it on television. These legal cases are about shutting up a person who is exposing corporate and government corruption. That's all this is about. Stay tuned here at StandWithKT.com.